Through conducting a horizon scan and pestle analysis, we discovered our solution in FYLD capitalizes on the market trends, and through integrating AI software into our application, we allow users to easily store and retrieve personal data quickly and efficiently. The business model itself applies a freemium model with over 3 plans, which we validated through various iterations and interviews. The solution aims to eliminate all the pains our customers face and increase the gains. Through multiple iterations, the solution has been validated not just in the value proposition, but also in the business model itself to support it. Overall, through the development of the business model, the key processes, strategies, skills and pivots were evaluated to create an accurate and validated business model. To create a desirable, feasible and viable business model, each section of the business model was analysed, along with the effectiveness of the tools used to create our final design of FYLD. The business model is highly effective in eliminating all the pains the customers face when organising in their day-to-day lives, and provides many gains as a cheap, simple yet smart AI solution. These pains included forgetting where documents were saved and losing passwords and ID. After verifying all the issues customers face, the business model was created to successfully provide the optimal solution. The prototype was then tested through many forms of customer feedback. The solution then took many pivots until the final solution was created in the form of an intelligent AI solution built into devices to search for any documents, tasks, passwords and ID to locate this data. We added more functionalities to make it more desirable to the customers through several iterations of the prototype. We also integrated security protocols, software development and other IT improvements to make it more feasible. Finally, it was decided to apply a freemium model with 4 subscription plans, as Pestle suggested more sustainable businesses utilised a multi-subscription approach. After analysing the total and fixed costs alongside revenue streams, we mapped out a break-even point and validated the effectiveness of the business model. The business model's desirability is very strong and effective, as many avenues of customer segments, relationships, channels, interviews, and test and learning cards were verified. Persona canvas, journeys, and archetypal builds were used to identify and develop a deep understanding of the target market. Data was collected and suggested there were 3 main target customer segments. These were younger couples, large families, and full-time working families, which make up a more widely desirable business model, covering the total addressable market of over 6 million Australians. The competitive advantage seen in FYLD is due to our effective and thorough customer interviews that allow us to identify the customer's pains and problems experienced. The feedback of our problem was documented and illustrated on empathy maps, persona canvas, and customer journey canvas, and other tools. Customers illustrated the main issue was organising and locating all their documents, data, passwords and files in their day-to-day lives. This validated our assumptions and identified both the validity of the problem and the key pains that customers expressed that needed changing. An interactive prototype was then tested and validated through many varied sources and from different customer demographics. Through both test and learning tools and A/B splits, we filtered down our solution to incorporate exactly what the customer needed: a simple, secure, easy to use, yet smart file, password and ID searcher. Customers expressed the need for security as well as other AI functionalities and a way to share documents with family members. This increased our overall desirability as it provides many iterations to aim the business at a wider market and encompass more organisation opportunities. The feedback of AI integration formed a successful value proposition that catered and covered a wide range of customer needs and developed FYLD's values as a family-orientated application. This was illustrated on our validation board and interview tools. The interviews and empathy maps allowed us to build effective connections with our audience and develop our value proposition based on insight provided. Building customer relationships illustrated the need for an easy-to-use tool that covered a wide range of needs. These tools also highlighted the need for families to have a secure and simple method of both finding and sharing documents. These useful tools improved and strengthened the quality and desirability of our business idea, as it led to a deeper understanding of the customer demographic and sets FYLD apart in a customer focus. FYLD is strongly linked to its array of networks, key partners and resources required to create a highly feasible business model. Customer feedback pushed the business towards an AI approach, which becomes an integral part of the business. AI's exponential growth in today's technological industry revealed it to be a highly successful backbone for our organisational app. This linked to our key values of providing a simple yet powerful solution that thoroughly covered all customer problems. This initiated FYLD's key selling point in covering all organisational needs. These changes are illustrated in tools such as Pestle, which indicated the growth in our apps, customer interviews, highlighting the need for an easy-to-use smart solution, and validation board, which illustrates all the iterations that form the business model. The business feasibility is illustrated in our connections with alternate AI solutions and our key activities and resources that support, develop, and provide an efficient solution. Interviews and customer validation also express the need to connect to other AI partners, such as ChatPDF, Document 360, and even ChatGPT, and linking user data to create personalized searches whilst retaining thorough security protocols. This was important as it increased the overall functionality of our app, creating more avenues for users and adding user AI, as well as pre-programmed options, creating a more streamlined experience. Our key activities and resources focus on catering for a strong feasibility through consistent software and security improvements and AI integration. Our consistency and focus on providing a secure and easy solution for families is illustrated in our prototype, which links the business model together. However, we did experience challenges due to government laws and security. For example, birth certificates and passports must be physical as opposed to an electronic document. This is an avenue we hope to address in integrating into FYLD in the future. To transform FYLD into a strong, viable option in today's growing market, many effective tools were utilised to map a predictable cost structure and revenue stream. The strength of our business viability is illustrated in our researched business model. Pestle analysis revealed the growth in multiple subscription models and showed a vast increase in revenue from businesses who applied this model. The graph depicts businesses who implemented over 5 plans had a 40% increase in average revenue. This is highlighted in the power of recurring revenue, showing a higher volume of sales. This business model allowed us to underline our goals of achieving over $70,000 by the second year of sales. The cost structure and revenue were formulated to plot the income flow and predict the expected costs. These tools proved very effective in providing insight into our expenses and illustrated that initial development costs would start around $30,000. However, as our product had limited variable costs, the revenue stream steadily increased, providing profit by the end of the first year and then rapidly increasing in the second year. Having a subscription model also ensured a safe and effective recurring revenue stream, allowing FYLD to achieve its goal and generate over $70,000. This was all due to our effective marketing strategies and the unique selling point illustrated in our tools. This allowed for the development of our break-even formula, which provided a graph illustrating that after approximately 2,850 FYLD accounts are sold, we will break even our $31,200 fixed cost point and begin to steadily make profit. As a whole, our strong business model stems from effective insight into the viability of the segments on the canvas. Having a concrete goal and a viable plan backed up through our feasible resources and desirable concepts allow FYLD to stand out from the growing market. Throughout the development of our business model, various risks and opportunities were identified and explored that considerably affected FYLD. A major compliance risk identified relates to laws surrounding government documents and privacy regulations. The law currently states that certain core documents, such as passports, driver's licenses, and birth certificates, are required to be submitted as physical copies as opposed to online files, as well as limited access to these files. This potentially has a dramatic impact on our business model, as a key value proposition that we provide to customers is to have a thorough and comprehensive AI storage system that locates all documents. Our solution, however, entails a diverse range of documents and files. However, FYLD's strength is seen through our large partnership network and customer base, and this diversity in tools can help eliminate this problem through implementing official government document into FYLD. However, this is not legally possible as yet. The most imminent and present risks we are likely to encounter is the growing strategic risk seen in the rise of AI in the market. This ever-changing, emerging field of AI has a dramatic impact on our reliant business model. This change in technology and growth in AI potentially could disrupt our business values in providing consistent and effective support 24/7, as we may fall behind competitors in the AI curve in the market. To counteract this, FYLD aims to employ a combined force of AI technicians and software developers to integrate new and improved systems into our app. This solution allows us to continuously support our valued customers through providing up-to-date and efficient experiences. A clear and valuable opportunity for FYLD is the expansion of our application to cover all customer needs. Governments currently both limit access and restrict the use of many official identified documents. FYLD's core values are underpinned by giving our customers a thorough and comprehensive app. We currently support customers in the area of personal documents such as warranties, receipts and cards, as well as passwords, photos and tasks. However, to cover the gap in our business, through partnerships and networking with MyGov, we aim to integrate our systems together through the incentive of providing governments with a percentage of royalty on sales, allowing our system to be more comprehensive and exclusive in the market. This fulfills our unique selling point by creating a distinctive patent-protected business that stands apart from competitors in providing customers with both official and personal and everyday documents. A current area of interest surrounds the integration of applications directly into device software. This means that apps cannot connect to other utilities on the device, such as photos, calendar, and files. FYLD's model values are due to its unique connections in bringing all apps together into one. By effectively integrating all organizational applications into one, allows customers to save time, stress, and ambiguity when locating lost documents and passwords. FYLD aims to fill this gap by partnering with other organizational apps and integrating AI to securely and efficiently filter everything into one single application, FYLD.